What is goody, y'all? It's your girl, Eva K, and I'm back at it one more again. And yup, y'all see what's going on? Your girl done hopped on the headband wig train, and boo, I ain't getting off no time soon. So if you're interested in seeing some super affordable looks, keep watching. All right, y'all, let's get into it, boo. So in the first headband wig look, I used this Half Wig Xiomara by Outre in the color 2T350/99J. I actually copped this joint from my local beauty store for less than $10, sis. Do you hear me? $10.98 after tax, y'all. I was shook. Y'all, right here, I'm just showing y'all that by the grace of God and his angels encamped all around my little bald head, I was able to slick my edges down to give me the illusion like I got some hair up there. But yeah, it was all God. I must also give an honorable mention to Got to Be Jail and Eben's 24-hour edge tamer. Now on this first unit, I did not use the comb in the front or the back. Just wanted to make that known. Y'all, I love that print on that headband. I also got the headband from my beauty store for $1. Yes, it's $1. So girl, I was trying to be cute and wear them black hoops. They was blending in, sis. You can't see them. Oh, the switch up. So to all my sis who don't have headbands at home, if you want to save some coins, boo, grab one of them bandanas you got in your closet, girl, in your drawer that you tie your hair with maybe at the end of the night, whatever. You know what I'm saying? I keep at least 3 or 4. I actually have a lot of different colors. I don't know why I grabbed the black, but it's just an easy, cheap alternative to buying headbands. Honestly, any fabric will do, sis. Any fabric. Make you a headband, boo. Yup. Oh, another switch up on ya. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm goofy. I can't help it. Y'all know me by now. The great thing about this headband is that you can hide your edges. You know what I'm saying? For all my sisters who don't want to show your edges, or my boos who might not have edges. You know what I'm saying? One of these headbands, yes, for the win. All right, y'all. So next we have Miss Summer Girl in the color BO4340. Y'all, legit, the BO stands for Bomb Ombre. Free Tress, y'all doing too much. Get out of here. Anyway, it has a big comb in the front, one in the back, but this wig has a drawstring, which allows you to actually make this half wig into a huge behind ponytail if you want, sis. Now, y'all saw that, right? Y'all saw my face is telling it, sis. Girl, what? Wait. Yup, she got the sheds. And I know this wig looks a lot like Xiomara, but the density on this wig is a lot more full than Xiomara was. Now, this is the part where I actually thought the headband was like larger than what it really was. So yeah, that was a fail right there. But we playing it off, sis. We playing it off. Yeah, let's take that joint off. Let's get another one. I got about 100. But yeah, y'all, I do apologize. I somehow lost the footage of me putting the hair up in this style. I'm so sorry. I had to give y'all a picture though. So yeah, we pick back up here with another headband on, and y'all, girl, why it look like I stole my grandmama curtains out the living room with the good furniture? Girl, take that thing off your head, sis. Why you got your auntie comforter set on your head, sis? The only thing I liked about this headband was that right there, what you seeing. You could do with this one what you could do with the yellow one, and hide your edges if you want to, expose the mugs if you feeling frisky, girl. I just don't know about this though, y'all. I just don't like this headband. I swear, I feel like I was given very much, let's go on a 5K run with this joint. Like, let's go do stretches and exercise and maybe some yoga or something. I don't know. I don't know. At this point, I was over the whole dang look. Y'all, just throw it away. Throw the whole dang thing away. Like, I'm over it. I managed to get it up in a half up, half down style, but yeah, no. Let's go on to the next one. On to the next. Now we have Miss Natural Rod Set 1 inch. And this one is by Free Tress Equal as well. This joint has the big comb in the front, 2 in the back, and that drawstring again. So yeah, I guess you could throw this joint up in a big old ponytail if you want to too, boo. Shake, shake, shake it off. Oh, oh. But on a serious tip, y'all, I was just loosening up the curls. You know what I'm saying? It's one of them free Tress wigs. So you know you gotta shake it, shake and go. Ain't that what they say? So yeah, right there I was just showing y'all my naps. I mean the drawstring. I can't help it, y'all. I'm goofy by nature. But yeah, just giving y'all a look, just a little look or two real quick. Now, since I couldn't show y'all with the other wig, I'm gonna show y'all with this one how I achieved that like updo to the side flip over kind of thing. I heard the Hearts and Cake 90, if I'm not mistaken, she called it a pineapple, I want to say is what it is, which it kind of looks like a pineapple in all honesty. I did not know what I was doing. It was my first time ever like trying it, you know, with these wigs, trying to do that pineapple look. But I thought it was so freaking cute. This was actually one of my favorite looks out of this whole headband wig situation we got going on here. I love that. The only thing that I would change is that I would probably put some bobby pins in it if I were to wear this out. But yes, girl, I really felt like I was giving looks with that. Girl, you can even tell in my lips, girl. I'm all puckered up and stuff. So while I'm still playing in this joint, let me just let y'all know that I did not use the combs in these wigs when I was doing this video. Now if I left out the house in these joints, I would have to put a comb in my head or a wig grip on because, baby, let me tell you something. The way my head's set up, psh, if I don't use them combs, baby, that thing is going to be up off my head. It's going to bend and jump clean off my dome before I even make it back to the house. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, so definitely wear a wig grip if you don't want to use the combs. Yeah, you'll have these looks, sis, safe and sound. Be able to return home with your wig still on. All right. But y'all, I had so much fun doing this video. I really, really enjoyed this. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys watching my video and seeing what I put together. Y'all, I bought so many headbands. It's ridiculous. Like, there will be a second video. I will be doing a human hair headband video very, very soon. Y'all just be patient with me. Anyway, I love you guys. I pray God continues to keep y'all and cover y'all and bring y'all back to me for the next video. I love y'all.